Hello guys, this is our journey. Our journey has begun. So, we are in the mountain, in the forest. Have you said that? Hi guys, this is Pinay, and we are now in our adventure. Is another year of our adventure. It's the second time now. So we are now in the mountain, not mountain, in the forest. So we are in like a chalet. So this is the front. This is the chalet that we are rented. So this is the one. So, and that is the front here. This is the front. And this is our small garden in the front, in the side. So I'm gonna open it here. The pins. So this is the one. You can see here. So this is the staircase. It's been a long time that I went for vacation like this, because when I'm still with my ex-husband, we are also doing like this. At the beginning, we came several times here, but we always keep renting. We always go in the hotel. So, and suddenly later, normally we want to do a chalet, but after that we divorced with my husband. So all those plan was changing. So now I'm now with my second husband. So this is our new plan of journeys. So we did it already 2 times, and then I'm going to the other side of the chalet. So I'm gonna show you something, small things here that I don't know if you could see this. It's something with the Mama Mary here. So there's a statue of Mama Mary there. It's catching to my eye when we arrive here, you know. So as you can see, that is Mama Mary. So tomorrow I'm gonna go there to look, because you know we're in Ardennes. People are very religious, very Catholic. So this is a roadway going down there. So it's like zigzag. So that is like a mountain there. So have you see that? So I'm gonna go it further, because you could not see. So this is the other side of our chalet that we are rented. It's not ours, but we are rented. So I'm gonna close it back. So now I like this kind of wood, you know, 50 verticals. So I'm gonna go with more, so further like this. So you know guys, this one is a barbecue. So you could open this, but I cannot open. It's hard for me. So, and this is very proper for the garbage. So there, these are the garbage, and this is the nice panorama view. See, did you see that? How nice is that? So before this afternoon when we arrived here, there was a horses. Did I see no horses? Horses or a cows? I was forgotten already. So this is the one under. So and you can see something there. So this is the other side more. Terrace, it's not terrace. This Chalet was already very long time. Already you can see all this furniture. It's already antique, you know. So this is the view. So guys, that is the view. Did you see that? It's like we are in the province, you know. I like this way. See?
They started to renovate.
Really?
If you don't listen, I will hang you here. Huh?
You must listen because I'm the one.
I can hang you like this, but I can also hang you like this. Huh?
I'm recording, huh? So this is our cute kitchen, an old-fashioned.
This is the old-fashioned cook.
And this is the old-fashioned cook, and he's the one who will cook here. And did you see also his cook? Cook or cook? Sorry.
Old cook and cook.
This is the way of our bedroom, and this is.
The cook is already
So
cooking.
he's making
Beer cold.
a beer to make it cold with cold water. Why you don't put in our refrigerator?
Because we go first and
We have here our refrigerator here. Here, go. We have your titong here, and we have here also our dishwasher. So this is very cute.
So here, on the left side, we have the microwave.
And this is the burger and the freezer also. So it's cute. And this is my hubby habitat. Nasa puton kaayo, lamig gayud. Katayon. So this is our cute kitchen. I like it because you know it's a very old-fashioned way.
The house is from 1671.
Yes. Yeah. Tuk. See? Yeah.
The house is built in 1671.
Amay, see, can you
It's an
imagine
old
that?
farmhouse.
Yeah, see? Did you heard what my husband says?
The old people are still lying on the bed.
Yes.
It's come in the closet.
You know, if I will be alone here at the evening, I could not stand here. Really, I will die. I cannot stay here alone in the evening. In the day, it's okay. It's very, it's not quiet. But in the evening, to be sure, I cannot survive here. I will be in panic. Imagine there in our house in a compound. Even if I'm alone, I cannot sleep. I'm always under the bedsheet. So, if you are from here, distance, then you could see. You can see my hubby there. And this is our dining table over there. This one. And this is also our dining table in the middle. So, we have extra. And this bed also, actually, my son is gonna come to us. But he refused to come again because he wanted to go work So he decided to do not come because he's wishing to find a job, but this is again second wave of COVID, so difficult to find job. So now we have to put it back, this one up. Actually, this is for my son. So, and this is the kalbo na sa puton.
Did I tell you the story that I was fighting with a bear before? Then you make a very big scarf on the back
Yes.
all around my back here. You know,
Nothing.
very big scarf from the bear, the claw.
Thank you. Thank you for coming to my vlog, Honey Buku Buku. I hope in the future it will be always like this. Thank you. Guys, ayaw kalimot guys. Di na lang na ako isulti sa atong kuang guys. Ang kinahanglan, ayaw kalimot sa tuslok. O ayaw kalimot sa pagduot. Sa bil. Taratatatatatatat. Bago pa lang kagani nga guys ha. Grabe talaga ko guys. Nahulog ko kaganina. Dito sa gangan. Kay nag-vlog ko. Nahulog ko sa akong katangahan. Nakalimot ko isang step tapos nagkabong-kabong ko. Siguro kung manakita doon sa kabila magkinatawa niya. Sa dili nabatian ako akong bana. Magaling gawa ko makipika yung nakita mo ito. Masuko siya na ako. Kasabot na naman ng bratata. Guys, kaganina ba guys? Nahulog ko dito sa altanan. I was falling on the steps there downstairs. It's my first time that I was vlogging. Then I was turning backwards. I cannot say. I don't feel that there was a staircase there. So when I step, and then it's like it's something that I don't feel nothing, and then kaboom. So it's good. My husband is not there, but suddenly I hear he's coming. Then I act like it's normal because otherwise he will get angry to me, you know. Alam niyo na, si Bratatatat. Bratatatat.